On behalf of the Paris and Henry County Healthcare Foundation Board, I would love to invite each and every one of you to our annual Casino Night event that is going to be held this year on Saturday, October 27th. The event starts at 6 o'clock with the social hour, and all of the fun activities will start up at 7 o'clock. It's a great evening and a great event to raise money for our emergency department renovation project. Tickets are on sale at various locations in the community, including the Iron Place, My Favorite Things, the law offices of Sean Johnson, the Pink Petal Gift Shop, and from any Healthcare Foundation board member. Tickets are $40 each or $75 for a couple. This is our 5th annual Casino Night event, and we really hope to have a great turnout for this year's event. We're so fortunate to have so many great sponsors, including our presenting sponsors of Hatt Law Firm, Security Bank, and Premier Realty. All during the next 2 weeks, we're going to be showcasing all of our sponsors on our social media outlets. So again, I encourage you to come on out, get your tickets ahead of time. You can also get tickets online at www.hcmc-tn.org. Or you can even come that night. So come out, enjoy yourself, and help support the fundraiser for our emergency room renovation.